Hi, I'm Dr. Rich Etchberger. Welcome to USU 1350 Integrated Life Science. In this class, we're going to learn the fundamentals of life science and how everything's connected out there in the world. We're going to start the class off with an introduction to what life science is. In there, we'll look at the nature of science. We'll look at an introduction to science. We'll take a look at a short history of science. Even though it's going to be a short history, we're going to travel the world to learn about some of the history. From there, we'll move on to the unifying ideas in science: evolution, natural selection, adaptation. In there, we'll look at Charles Darwin's life. That'll take care of part one. In part two, we'll look at math as the language of science. In that part of the class, what we're going to do, we're not going to look at the quadratic equation. We're not going to look at how we derive formulas and those kinds of things. We're going to look at how math is used to develop technology and how we use parts of those things. We'll look at things like the geographic information systems, the global positioning system. We'll look at statistics, and we'll look at how populations fluctuate. In the third part of the class, we're going to look at applied life sciences. We'll look at applications such as the Human Genome Project. We'll look at things such as biodiversity. We'll look at communities and ecosystems. And we're going to wrap the class up by looking at a topic that's really become interesting to me because it affects all human beings on the earth, and that's global warming. We'll also take a look at some of the work that I do in my research here at the Uinta Basin campus of Utah State University. I'd like to welcome you to the class. I hope you enjoy it. And if you ever have questions, please feel free to post them on the discussion board or send me an email. Hope you enjoy this.